Hello, this is the second video in the third vector series of OCR AS Core Pure Further Mathematics. In this video we will look further into calculating vector products. We have seen this formula already in the previous video. It can also be written as A2B3 minus A3B2I plus, let's just put some brackets around that to make it clearer, plus A3B1 minus A1B3J plus A1B2 minus A2B1K. Of course, this second component could have been written as A1B3 minus A3B1J if we'd changed the sign in front of a bracket. If you've studied matrices and determinants, then you may recognise this as looking like evaluating a determinant for a 3x3 matrix. This gives us an alternative way of writing A cross B. So, we can also write A cross B as the determinant of a 3x3 matrix IJK A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Having studied matrices, if you have, you will know the determinant may also be written with different rows and columns transposed. So, in some textbooks, the IJK unit vectors may be in the first row rather than in the first column. Let's look at some examples. So we could have the cross product of 1 minus 3, 4 and 3, 2 minus 1 written as I, J, K, 1 minus 3, 4, 3, 2 minus 1 in determinant form. This would give us I of the determinant of a 2x2 matrix minus 3, 2, 4, minus 1 plus minus J of a determinant of a 2x2 matrix 1, 3, 4, minus 1 plus K of a 2x2 matrix determinant 1, 3, minus 3, 2. This would give us 3 minus 8 I minus 1 minus 12 J plus 2 minus 9 K, or minus 5I plus 13J plus 11K, which we might choose to write as a vector minus 5, 13, 11. You may wish to pause the video now to check that working for yourselves, and also to check what you would obtain if you did the cross product of 3, 2 minus 1 with 1 minus 3, 4. During the working, you may realise that A cross B equals minus B cross A. And if you think about the way that it's worked out, either with the formula given in the last video or indeed using the determinant as shown on this slide, then that will be a useful result for later understanding the finding of perpendicular vectors. You may wish to double check your own working using this slide. Many calculators have the facility to deal with vector operations. If your calculator does, then please use this example to check you get the right answer. Using the formula, we would get 24 minus 3 minus 6 minus 0 and 0 minus 8, which would give us 21 minus 6 minus 8, if you're doing it manually. Here is another example for you to try for yourself, either using your calculator or by one of the two methods or formula given on the slide. Note that you do not have to memorize these, you will be given them. Here is the answer to confirm your working or your calculator's output. In the next video, we will use the vector product to find perpendicular vectors.